everyone, I will begin our presentation with the introductory sections. We are Group 3 and today we will be presenting our assignment on the real-world applications of equations and inequalities. For this task, our group selected a scenario involving a break-even, a profit analysis of a small sandwich business operated during a weekend event.
This is our team: Felicia Dami Anna James, Vanessa Ana Banyu, Nur Dayana Sofia binti Haslan, Marcos Naing Ana Adam, and Del El Nio Joypin. In this situation, we want to determine how many sandwich we must sell in order to break even, and how many are required to achieve a profit of at least 300 ringgit. We will apply linear equation and inequalities to solve this.
Hello, next slide is data and variables. For this scenario, we define our main variable as X is number of sandwich sold, and we are given selling price per sandwich Rm6 ringgit, and cost for the cost per sandwich is Rm3 ringgit 50 cent. Next, fixed cost for requirement and rental is Rm 120 ringgit. Using this information, we can build our mathematical model.
Okay, so first is R, our revenue, equal to 6x or 6 ringgit, which means we sell our sandwiches at 6 ringgit. Next is C, cost. This includes all our expenses, both fixed and variable. The formula is 120 plus 3 ringgit and 50 cent. Next one is profit. To calculate profit, we use revenue minus cost, or 2 ringgit and 50 cent minus 120. Then we have our profit target inequality. Our goal is that P, or profit, must be greater than or equal to 300 ringgit. The formula is 2 ringgit and 50 cent minus 120, so it is greater or equal to 300. This inequality tells us the exact minimum number of sandwiches we need to sell to hit our 300 ringgit goal.
Okay, let's start with our next slide, which is solving and interpretations. On this slide, we are finding the break-even point, which is the number of sandwiches we must sell to cover all our costs, which is no profit, no loss. We start by setting revenue equals to cost. 6x equals to 120 plus 3.5x, which is here 6x is the money we get from selling x sandwiches. 120 plus 3.5x is our total cost. Next, we simplify by subtracting 3.5x from both sides. 2.5 equals to 120, then we divided x equals to 48. This means we need to sell 48 sandwiches to break even. Anything more than 48 give us profit. Let's move forward to profit target. On this slide, we are calculating how many sandwiches we need to sell to reach a profit of 300 ringgit. We start with our profit formula. Profit equals to 2.5x minus 120. 2.5 is the profit we earn from each sandwiches. X is the number of sandwiches sold. 120 is our total fixed cost. So, to reach Rm300 profit, we set up the inequality. 2.5x minus 120 is more than 300. Then we solve it step by step. First, add 120 to both sides. 2.5 is more than 240. After that, divided by 2.5x is more than 168. Which is this means we must sell at least 168 sandwiches in order to hit our 300 profit target. So the key point is 168 equals to minimum sales to reach the goal.
Okay, before I move on the final part of our projects, it is important for us to take a step back and evaluate the model that we use. A mathematical model is only useful if we understand its assumptions, delimitation, and how it can be improved. So in these sections, I will present to our critical evaluations. Okay, in our model, there are several key assumptions. 1. The selling price of the sandwich remains constant. 2. The cost per sandwich does not change. 3. All sandwiches can be sold. 4. There is no weightage. However, every model comes with limitations such as 1. The model ignores unexpected expenses as spoilage or pseudo-material shortage. 2. It does not consider demand fluctuations like low sale on certain day. 3. It assumes ingredients prices are always stable when in reality price can change. Okay, to improve the model and make it more realistic, we suggest several possible improvements. 1. Included a demand model to account for varying customer demand. 2. Add stock limitation in inequalities. 3. You use a more detailed cost model, especially when both purchases can reduce cost.
Okay, last is our conclusion. In conclusion, the break even point is 48 sandwich. Next is to earn Rm300 ringgit profit. The group must sell is 168 sandwiches or more. This is show how mathematical modeling help in real world business discussion. And thank you for your listening. We will upload our recorded presentation and include the YouTube link as required. That is all the presenter from our group. Thank you.